This video is on the Byzantine Empire. As the Roman Empire was declining, Diocletian decided to divide the empire in half. He thought this would make it easier to govern the empire. Constantine controlled the eastern half of the empire, and he named the capital of the eastern half Constantinople. He named it after himself. Before the rule of Constantine, people who did not believe in the Roman gods were persecuted. However, Constantine changed all of this when he legalized all religions. Constantine even converted to Christianity, which means he actually became a Christian. Eventually, civil war broke out in the western half of the Roman Empire, and the western half of the Roman Empire fell in 476. The eastern half of the Roman Empire, the part that included Constantinople, survived and thrived and actually became the Byzantine Empire. Geography of the Byzantine Empire. The Byzantine Empire and its capital, Constantinople, held a strategic geographical significance. Constantinople is located between the Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. This is an excellent location because of the access to the water. Most trade routes between Asia, Europe, and North Africa had to pass through the Byzantine Empire. The location of Constantinople along these trade routes made the Byzantine Empire very, very wealthy. Christianity in the Byzantine Empire. Since the Byzantine Empire had once been a part of the Roman Empire, many of the Byzantines were Christian. However, in 1054, there was a dispute over the worship of idols or icons in the Christian religion. The Christian authorities in the Byzantine Empire disagreed with the Roman Christian authorities. The Byzantines did not believe that they should worship idols or icons. As a result of this dispute, the first split in Christianity occurred, with the West in Rome continuing to practice Catholicism and the Byzantines practicing Eastern Orthodox Christianity. Later divisions in Christianity would come about from the Protestant Reformation in the 1500s. Byzantines' historical significance, preservation of the Roman and Greek culture. When the western half of the Roman Empire fell, much of the knowledge that had been gained by the Romans and the Greeks had been lost. Since the eastern part of the Roman Empire survived and thrived as the Byzantine Empire, the Byzantines wanted to preserve much of the Greek and Roman advancements or achievements. The rule of Justinian. The Byzantine Empire was ruled by a group of autocrats. Autocrats were people who had absolute power. The Byzantines' greatest leader was a man named Justinian. Under Justinian's rule, the Byzantine Empire gained back some of the Western Roman Empire's land that was lost to the barbarians, and he actually even expanded westward to reach the Byzantines' greatest extent. So under Justinian, the Byzantine Empire was able to conquer and gain back some of the western part of Rome's empire and even extend that a little further. The greatest contribution Justinian made was to codify the set of Roman laws. This meant that all the laws of the Roman Empire were compiled and written down. These laws were called Justinian's Code. Justinian's Code enabled the Roman laws to be kept for generations. Since the laws were preserved, they were been able to use as a basis for many legal systems for Western countries, for example, like in the United States. The decline of the Byzantine Empire. When Justinian died in 565, the Byzantine Empire began to decline. Faced with invasions by barbarians, Persians, and Muslims, later emperors lost all the land that Justinian had gained. The Byzantine Empire finally ended 900 years after Justinian's death. In 1453, a group called the Ottoman Turks swept in and captured the capital city of Constantinople. However, they did not destroy Constantinople. They saw the value of the location of the capital city, so therefore they changed the name of Constantinople to Istanbul.